Random stuff 3. Sorry, we just wanted to do that. It was fun.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down on my
So, she's alright. Sorry, I need to go watch it. Bye. Zoe, Stephanie, we're going to Andy's party!
Okay. Stephanie's in the washroom, Mom,
Okay, tell her when she comes out.
okay.
So what was Mom talking about?
You said we have to.
Dress up. No!
Yeah.
I think it goes here. I'm a maid. Ow! Chair hurt me. I'm gonna have a heart attack. A laugh attack, actually.
Is this how it goes?
I think so.
That looks like a dress.
I'm gonna go ask sister if this looks good.
When are you supposed to go like this?
Zoe, that's not how you put it on. You're supposed to put it on your waist.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sister said to put it on my waist. Ow.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god. It just won't fit me.
I think Mom and his
Mom, what are you wearing?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I think I'm gonna throw up. Well, we're supposed to wear mini skirts to the party. So, and
Can you raise your voice, Mom?
yes, we have to.
Nasya.
Hey, you Missy, come back here. And Stephanie, get off the floor.
It's the couch.
Stephanie, get off the floor. Zoe, you get off the couch.
Okay, Mom.
That was gross. That was very gross.
Honestly.
I'm gonna wear it like this. I don't care. It can't.
Well, oh, you know what this reminds me of?
What?
Somebody that works in the castle.
I'm going to marry. No, you. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hello. Oh, where'd it go?
Doesn't it look like somebody
Okay, I'm not dressing up.
in the castle?
I want to
My royal liege.
get off. We're just gonna go like this in our pajamas. Embarrassing.
Well, it's messy, yeah.
Yeah, let's mess it up. Mess it up.
I think mine's already messy.
Mine's not messy. It keeps going straight. But
Wait, the tucker. Hey, Mom. Can you come here?
yes, what would you like?
Do we have? Why are we going there anyway?
Because it's a safe party.
Another. And also, what the heck? Okay, a mini skirt and do we need to talk to the British accents?
Yes, we do.
That's a very horrible British accent, Mom. And don't cry. Okay? It's okay.
You know what? I'm telling your father. Goodbye. Hi. I scared her.
Mom said we have to talk to the British accent when mini skirts is lower again. She said that again.
Damn. I'm just doing something. Okay, go.
No, oh, I'm sorry, Doctor.
We have to go.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, bye. Hi, we're back. That party was gross. Oh my god, skin.
So many mini skirts.
I'm
I'm not going to bed tonight. I'm gonna have bad dreams.
Yes. Please.
Save me.
No. Seriously. There's miniskirts. They were dancing. They're going, the miniskirts flying up.
Yeah, another can.
Oh, I forgot to do the can.
Hold me.
No. She's doing some weird sign language. Seriously. I feel lost again, sorry.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
You guys, you have to go to sleep.
Mommy, I don't want to go to sleep. I'm too scared. That's fine.
Still, you have to. Okay, I'll be in the bed with your father. What did Mom say? What did Mom say?
Should be in the bedroom.
You have to go to bed in the morning?
Yes. She said she'll be in the bedroom. That's what she said.
Okay, I think you have to go to bed. Okay, bye. We're gonna have so much